Hey guys, I'm back. It's your host with the most, the one and only, and I hope everyone is enjoying this cooler fall weather. Fall officially begins on September 22nd for all of us located in the northern hemisphere, and there is no better thing I enjoy most in the fall than my afternoon runs. The weather is nice and cool, you get to see the beautiful leaves on the trees, and of course you can't forget your Apple Watch, especially slapping on a Nike Sport Band in the autumn, and man, you are now radiating all gas and no brakes. I love the Nike line already. It's such a unique style and I always get compliments on it. Apple treated us to just 3 brand new Nike Sport Band colors, but all 3 are stellar. All 3 are bangers and you can have the opportunity to win one yourself in my quarterly band giveaway. There's a total of 48 new bands this time around, I know. I'm currently in band heaven, but I'm not sure if my wallet agrees, but make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out how you could slap one on your wrist alongside me if you are to be the lucky winner. What the heck are we waiting for then? Let's hop right in. Ah yes, the Nike Sport Band line. It really is one of my all-time favorites due to 2 simple reasons. The main thing is the perforations, or the little holes that give people with trypophobia nightmares. These tiny holes within the band allow your wrist to breathe, and that is huge for someone like me. The regular Sport isn't terrible, but have you ever been in Georgia on a hot and humid summer day? God, it's a nightmare, so it's nice to have this band for those occasions or for your gym sessions where you're just pouring sweat. You can literally feel the breeze at times coming through the perforations. I have gone in great detail reviewing this specific style of band, so if you're interested, definitely click the card at the top right to watch that video. But today we're here for new colors, so let's go ahead and get the ball rolling. We start with blue black / bright mango. What can I say? The underside of the band is this nice pink flamingo color that is carried on into the perforations and make a stark contrast against the very dark blue, almost black color. The band has a silver stainless steel pin, and because it has that dark insert, it makes it viable as a great combination to any color or casing material. This is the perfect mix of flashy mixed with dull colors. The bright mango color energizes you so that gas tank in you is always full at the beginning of your workouts, but then relaxes you with that somber dark blue undertone that is just perfect. Definitely a stellar band and one I think will make a ton of people happy. Next up, let's deviate more towards the flashier side and introduce Spruce Aura / Vapor Green. And while it's not necessarily flashy like a bright yellow per se, it still is a band that makes you have a double take. This combination just goes so well together, particularly on the stainless steel or any silver Apple Watch. The Vapor Green part of the band is again very soothing. It's not a color that's going to blast in your face like a Volt Green. Instead, its main goal is to complement the soft white color, and it creates this beautiful and very unique band. It's really soft and subtle, but at the same time, it's just so unique that I'm sure you'll get plenty of compliments if you pick it up. My sold out soon senses are strong on this one, so make sure to snag one before you have to hit up good old eBay with at least a 50% markup. And finally, we have a super dope color that I'm sure plenty of people will not want to pass up. Here is Obsidian Mist / Black, and yo, that Obsidian Mist is something else. For some reason, it really reminds me of Smoke from Mortal Kombat. It's just that metallic bluish gray complemented by the black perforations. It's just such a cool color. It's like I imagine this band only being rocked by the cool kids back from my high school days. I can't say enough great things about this color combination. I just love how the gray is more of a bluish gray, almost even with a tiny hint of violet or purple, I would say. This is an interesting one, and one that is for sure up my alley. And like that, guys, we made it through another video. This was a quick one since there were only 3 colors released for this style, but fear not because we still have plenty more to go. And to share some love and positivity during these lockdowns and pesky virus, I want to give away a band for every new band video I make on the fall releases. Entry is very simple. Simply subscribe to my channel with bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And 2, drop a comment with your country's flag. I really do love to see all the support from around the globe. Winners will be announced via Twitter on October 18th, so go ahead and follow me on my social media platforms, since that is where I make regular announcements, polls, channel updates, and of course those juicy giveaways. Good luck to everyone who participates. I should be receiving my iPad 8th Gen pretty soon, and then next month we have the killer new iPad Air in all those sexy colors, and of course it will make its debut on the channel when it's released. Stay safe guys, and I'll catch you on my next video. Peace.